sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Toyota Camry. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.